This video is about lean principles. If you've tried to introduce lean tools like 5S or standardized work, but aren't getting the sustained success you want, this video is for you. Knowing lean principles won't get anything done, but applying them will guide you to get useful things done. The difficult bit is knowing what good lean principles are and how to apply them. But the answer to the question, what are lean manufacturing principles is, depends who you ask. In the Western world, since lean thinking was written, the 5 lean principles of value, value stream, flow, pull, perfection have become popular. I'll go through these in a second, but be clear, this is a top-down approach driven by specialists who are trained industrial engineers or lean folks or managers. There's also a bottom-up approach of building shop floor Gemba power through shop floor Kaizen created by the experts, people working on the process. I'll also explain this and the need to reconcile these two different approaches to truly bring about a lean transformation. So the top-down first, courtesy of Womack and Dan Jones. You start with value, specifying value in the eyes of the customer. Then value stream, identifying the value stream delivering this value and looking at the steps to make the product. Eliminate wasteful ones, combine and resequence others, and understand how each step is performing to remove the obstacles to flow, which is the third principle, flow. You flow the remaining value to the pull of the customer, which leads us to pull, where we make and move products only to the drumbeat of the customer expressed as tact, to satisfy their needs. Finally, perfection, nodding to the fact that nothing is perfect and we continuously find opportunities to improve in pursuit of perfection. Now, this is a sensible model, but my lived experience on shop floors across the world and that of my Japanese Toyota friends tells me that it's necessary but insufficient. There's a risk that this kind of top-down thinking puts the development of lean capability in the hands of a few specialists, industrial engineers and managers, while tens or hundreds of perfectly good smart brains go untapped. A few is the issue. There's a piece missing to this, and it's a bottom-up piece. The Gemba Kaizen Toyota approach, proven over and over, is where we engage as many minds as possible, improving the patch every day. Everybody, every day, as it's sometimes known. Toyota called it 1 second lean, and there's a whole movement now for 2 second lean started by Paul Akers. Rather than relying on a small number of specialists to find and deliver big improvements to drive the business, we develop a large number of people, operators who are experts, to create many small Kaizens. Why am I calling them experts? Because they look after the process for 8+ hours every day and they know the machine like a parent knows his child. Implementing many small Kaizen ideas is powerful, like collecting low-value coins in a jar. At the end of the year, you're surprised to see you've got £80, dollars or yen to spend. And in the Gemba Kaizen approach, we start at the operation level, the manual work. Then we move to the machine level and then the process level. This is also sometimes expressed as OSKKK. Number 1, observe. Number 2, standardize materials, motions, tasks and management. Number 3 is the first layer of Kaizen to improve the information, material flow and the process. Number 4 is a second layer of Kaizen to improve the equipment, and finally to improve the layout, the third layer of Kaizen. Some others summarize this approach as point Kaizen plus flow Kaizen plus system Kaizen. But like top down, there's a drawback to just doing bottom up Gemba Kaizen. You can stack up as many ideas as you like, but eventually you'll reach saturation point with the Kaizen for the current way of doing things. Occasionally we need leaps forward in innovation. Kaikaku, the companion to Kaizen. This image shows how both can work together. We've got another video on how to do both top-down and bottom-up sensibly at the same time without blowing the mind and baffling the people in the business. To understand what's holding your lean transformation back, take our scorecard. All the links are in the description below. And if you're enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe to help other people find their way to us on their lean journey.